Hey y'all, it's Victoria from Super Geeked here with another video. If you're new here, hi, welcome. We celebrate everything we get super geeked about here on this channel. And one of the things I get super geeked about is fashion. I'm a full-time online fashion reseller, but I also like fashion for myself. My friends here on YouTube have all tried Stitch Fix. And I was a little bit hesitant because A, I'm a plus size girl. So I wasn't sure what kind of options they would have. Two, I have sort of a quirky style. I like very vintage inspired. I like novelty prints. I like very feminine. And I wasn't sure, because I'm so picky, how it was gonna work with Stitch Fix. But my friend Brittany over at Shop Foxborough had a code for $100 credit if you sign up with Stitch Fix. So I bit the bullet and I did it, and I'm going to share with you my plus size styling box from Stitch Fix. Here is my box from Stitch Fix. I don't know if this is the normal size that people get, but yeah, it's a little heavy. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is a styling service where you pay $20. You fill out a style report, try to tell them what kind of style you are, give them your sizing and any details about what you like, what you don't like, and how things fit you. And then a stylist is assigned to you and they send you a package of things to try on. If you do purchase anything, the $20 you paid for the styling fee does go as a credit towards the items you purchase. So I'm gonna bust in this box and we'll see what I got. Okay, first thing on the top is this. I'm guessing this might be some shoes, so that's interesting. You get a priority mail bag to mail back the items that you did not want, and it already has a label on it for you. And they did send me a code, so I will put my code below. If you sign up, I do get a credit, and then you also get a credit towards your first purchase from Stitch Fix. And it looks like they are offering $25 right now, so that's a free $25 that you can do to sign up for Stitch Fix. All right, here's my note from my stylist. Her name is Brooke. Hi Victoria, and welcome to Stitch Fix. I'm so excited to kick off the styling journey with you, and I can't wait to hear what you think of fix number 1. I encourage you to try everything on and give lots of feedback, good or bad, regarding the style and fit of each piece. This really helps us hone in on your unique style preferences and needs so that you can build a wardrobe that you love. I started styling with the high-rise skinnies in a dark wash that you can wear in many ways. That sounds good. Throw them on with the Market & Spruce printed ballet flats, and then add the curved hem pullover for some really fun pattern contrasting. A bold statement necklace and the lightweight gray cardigan I've included will elevate this gorgeous cool weather look. I hope you have a blast unboxing and trying everything on. Stylishly yours, Brooke. And it does include some pictures, I guess, of ways you can style the items. So that's cool, and they're perforated so you can keep them. I guess if you keep like a little notebook. I don't really do that, but. And here is my burrito with the little Stitch Fix sticker. I like a lot of bright and feminine colors, a lot of pastels, so I'm not really sure about the neutral colors, but we'll try it. There's also a card in here that explains how the service works and how to send things back, and an invoice telling me if I was to purchase everything. They do give you a 25% off discount if you purchase everything in your Stitch Fix, plus the credit that you have for your styling fee. So, yeah, that's really cool. All right, I'm gonna break into this bag first. There is a tag on it and it says, Market & Spruce Isleen ballet flats, a size 11. I have a giant foot. Let's say I have Paris Hilton size feet. Okay. Those are cute. So there's snakeskin, faux snakeskin, and faux leather. They're not really my style. They are cute, so I will definitely try them and just see what they look like on me, but might look good with a pair of jeans. We'll just check it out. I'm really hard because I just like really weird novelty shoes or plain flats. So I did request flats. So this is good that she did send me flats. Okay, I did bust into the burrito. These are some just blue jeans. They're a dark wash, but they're kind of like a, I don't know, a cheap dark wash. I don't know how to explain it, but they're super stretchy. The brand is 1822 Denim. I've never tried this brand. My favorite denim brand is Good American. I did put that in my style profile, but I do love high-waisted jeans, skinnies, and I like a cropped look because although I'm very tall, I have a long torso, and so my legs do not match my torso. So I usually buy short length, even though I'm almost 5'9". Okay, the next item is this really soft sweater, and it's brown and striped. It is by the brand Pink Clover. And by the way, I did upsize on all these because I wasn't sure about their sizing. And as a plus size girl, we know there is nothing worse than things being ill-fitting. I will say I am not a super busty girl, and so a lot of times if I get clothing in my size, it is oversized in the chest area. So I like more fitted. So this may be, I don't know how this is gonna work, but we'll try that. Okay, and this is really soft. This is an open front duster cardigan. It's got pockets, but I like that it's got just like a hint of pastel colors in it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but it's got a hint of pinks and blues. It is gray, but this is really soft. So I can see myself really liking this, and I like the big pockets on it. Okay, and then this top I know I'm not going to like. This is a Michael by Michael Kors. It's a V-neck, and I don't wear a lot of V-necks. It's also, I don't like this kind of fabric. I like a lot more natural fibers. It's got like a chiffon fabric on the front, and then more of a stretchy fabric on the back. I just can tell you right now I'm not gonna like this. This is totally not my style. It's like a high-low in the front, and yeah, I don't like this. All right, so I am gonna try on all the pieces just to see what it looks like. So let me go do that, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so first impressions are I'm pretty happy. I was really worried that my first fix was going to be totally off the mark because I am so picky, but I really am happy with what they sent me. Everything fit, so that's a plus for a plus size girl. I'll start with what I know I'm not going to get, which I knew going in I just did not like the style of, and that is the Michael Kors top. I do have a tattoo here that I have been removing for a couple years, and I like to cover it up. I don't like to wear v-necks, and just the overall style of that top is just not me. That top, if I was to purchase it, was $68. So yeah, totally not getting that top. The next item was this burnt orange, is what they call the color, pullover top. It's called the Nicole textured pullover. It is a lightweight knit, which is good because I live in the deep south. I do not live in a cold climate, so I don't need very heavyweight materials. This is a cute top, but it does dip a little low for me. Again, you can kind of see my tattoo sticking out, and I don't really like that. So I probably will not get this, even though I was pleasantly surprised that the color did not look terrible on me. This top, if I was to keep it, is $44. Something that surprised me that I really do like are the Market and Spruce ballet flats. And here they are again. They definitely are not really my style, but they're really comfy and I think they look cute on my feet. So I will be mulling over that, although they are $59, which I don't think is bad for a pair of shoes, especially because I have size 11 feet and I can't always find the cutest shoes in my size. A lot of shoes will go up to only 10. So I may be keeping those. Okay, next up is the 1822 denim. So these are called the Jefferson High Rise Skinny Jeans, and they're $48, which is not a bad price point. But these are not jeans, you guys. These are like the weight of my leggings that I wear under short dresses or tunic tops, or even more lightweight. And as I was showing you in the video, they fit me, but they stretch out. And I can already feel that during the day, they're going to be stretching out more and possibly rolling down. I don't like that. That's uncomfortable. I could maybe wear these around the house, but not for a pair of jeans that I would wear out. Again, they fit and they're soft, but they are definitely more like a jegging than they are jeans. So I am going to be passing up the 822 denim. The last item that I am gonna mull over is the Love Ellie cardigan, the gray. It's called the Alyssa Open cardigan. And even though it was gray, it had those pastel tones under, which I love. I am such a pastel girl, so it is $40, but it's so soft. The only thing is I have a bunch of duster cardigans, so I don't really know. I do have to say I don't have a gray one, so that might work. So anyway, if I do keep anything, it'll be the open front cardigan and the flats. But overall, for my first styling, I'm really happy. I hope that I get the same stylist. I know that a lot of the stylists have been kind of moving around. Some of my friends that have been doing Stitch Fix for a while are kind of taking a break or even quitting Stitch Fix. So I'm happy with my fix. I am pleasantly surprised at the items that were picked out for me and how they fit and the quality of the products. And so I definitely am looking forward to ordering another Stitch Fix, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this and checking out with me what I got. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on the way out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.